I'm here to do a shingle repair for your insured Linda Garlinger. Claim number is HO100555748. As you can see right here, we have a creased 3-tab shingle. So let's go ahead and get started on the shingles next to it. Popped up easy. As you can see, it's already starting to crease just a little bit. This is an extremely brittle shingle right here. All right, let's grab this one. The more I keep going, the more the damage these shingles get. As you can see right there, it's just granules falling off of it. So there's no need to proceed with the repair. It's only going to keep damaging this row and this row as well, as long as the ones to the left and right of the creased shingle. There's no way for this to be a spot repair. It is not feasible.